Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel, Lena Talk. In this video, we have an interesting conversation about, does using a smartphone make my English better? This is a great way to learn English. You will hear simple words, short phrases, and easy sentences. Listen carefully and practice speaking with us. So, let's get started.
Felix, do you think a smartphone can help our English?
Not really. A phone makes us lazy.
Really? I think a smartphone is very useful.
But the more we use it, the more we get addicted.
Not if we use it smartly. We can learn from apps and videos.
Apps? Videos? Maybe, but sometimes people just play games.
Yes, that's true. But I use my phone for English podcasts and YouTube.
But books are better. Reading is study.
I agree books are good, but a phone has ebooks too.
Oh, ebooks. That is true.
And I use dictionary apps. It's very fast.
Okay, that helps. But what about social media? People waste hours.
Yes, wasting time is bad, but if we follow English pages, we can learn new words.
You have a point.
Also, phones have AI like ChatGPT, Gemini, or DeepSeek. It can practice conversation with us.
Oh, these AIs can talk like a teacher?
Yes, they help with grammar, ideas, and practice.
Interesting. But still, we must study hard by ourselves.
I agree. Phone is a tool, but effort is from us.
Yes, phone is like a helper, but not the master.
Exactly. Use the phone in a good way, and our English will improve.
Okay, Denny. Maybe I will try learning on my phone more.
And I will read books too. Balance is the best.
Yes, balance is the key.
So, smartphone helps, but hard work is most important.
Right. We need both.
Thank you for talking, Felix.
Thank you too, Denny. That was a good talk.
Wow! What do you think? Can a smartphone help your English? Did you learn something from this conversation? Write your answer in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more interesting videos. See you later!